Excited to be back at the AMSOIL home office, Lake Superior behind me, staying in Duluth, Minnesota, right across from Superior, Wisconsin. I'm so grateful as one of the just few top dealers that were invited out for a technical workshop. And we're going to be diving in, learning a lot more about lubrication, oil analysis. And I'm so excited to gain some of that new knowledge there and being able to apply it to our clients to help save everybody time and money. So super pumped. I'm looking forward to just being a big old sponge and soaking all that up. Getting a tour of the plant, and this place is impressive. It is super clean, massive operation. They're here working on a weekend. Just so cool to be able to get here and touch, smell, see, not taste, but just how they put all this in the packaging, and just really neat experience. So here at the AMSOIL plant, and standing behind me are a bunch of totes for the wind turbine line that we do. We're heavy with GE, and this is a specialty industrial product here, and keeping those wind turbines where we are tripling the interval that they were doing before. So really impressive what they're doing on the industrial side.